You think one polished video will change your channel? YouTube doesn't care about perfect, it cares about active. So posting often matters much more than posting perfectly, especially if you just started your YouTube channel. Why? Because you don't know yet what your audience care about, what titles get clicks, and where people stop watching your video. You only learn that by publishing often. Each upload gives you data. You see what worked, what didn't, and why. You get faster, your content gets better. YouTube is like a gym. You can't show up once a month and expect results. The algo rewards consistency. It doesn't just care about views, it cares about these signals. Are you showing up regularly? Do people come back to watch more? If views disappear for 2-3 weeks, your channel cools down. YouTube stops pushing your content and you lose momentum and have to earn it back. And posting only on YouTube? Not enough. Your videos should be everywhere. Cut it into short clips. Post them on Shorts, Reels, TikTok. Take the best insights. Share them on Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit. Turn your thoughts into newsletter or blog post. Don't wait for people to find it. Forget about going viral. Just post, learn, improve, and repeat. Each post, one more door to your content. And remember, if you're not consistent, you're not even giving the algo a chance. Want to learn how to turn your long video into short clips? Check my next video. Thank you for watching.